Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AEC employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AEC employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you have to search for AEC employee login. And after searching for that, here you will find this first option which says login in AEC Employee Australia. Just tap on that first option, and after tapping on that first option, here you will come up to this AEC login page. And now what you can do is just simply enter your user ID and password. And after entering your details, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will be successfully logged into your account. But if you try to log into this account and it shows you some errors like this password was invalid, or you have entered the wrong password and you want to fix that error, so to fix that error, what you can do is just tap on forgot password option, and after tapping on forgot password option, you will successfully able to change your password. So by changing your password, if you come back to this login page and then re-enter that password that you have just changed and then tap on login, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your AEC employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If